Hello students, if we talk about question 2 part 1, so they have said that there are 9 cards, each of different color, are to be arranged in a line. In how many different arrangements of 9 cards are possible? So they're talking about arrangement, so it has to be permutation. And since 9 cards are all different, so they can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. So if I calculate the 9 factorial, so I'll get 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0. That's a specific answer for part 1. Now, if they say the 9 cards include a pink card and a green card, how many different arrangements do not have pink card next to the green card? So this type of problems, what we do, we'll first make the slots for the 9 arrangements, right? We'll put pink card and green card next to each other. Now we'll assume that these are together and we'll consider them as one unit. So we can name the other spaces. Now these can be arranged in 8 factorial ways, and green card and pink card can also arrange themselves among themselves in a group in 2 factorial ways. So these are the number of ways green cards and pink card are together. So if we talk about something not together, then from the total arrangement, which was this, we'll subtract 8 factorial into 2 factorial. So we get the figure for 8 factorial into 2 factorial. So we'll write 362, 880 minus 8 factorial into 2 factorial is 80640. So our answer for not together will be 282240. This will be my answer for part 2. Thank you.